it's a new segment on the show, which we missed on yesterday's episode because, of course, who can remember these things? Is we talk about the top of trending. Whoa, did it just move in the time that we have been filming?
They were going neck and neck.
I thought it was the MrBeast video, the revolving door video, but it looks like Miley Cyrus overtook it. How about this for live television? Are you on the US trending right now?
I believe so.
Oh man, Willie do. I might have to talk about Miley Cyrus. Oh no. No, see, I still have MrBeast. Whoa. What's going on here? Which one is the rightful owner of the top of trending? Maybe my region is messed up. I don't know. Jack, what do you see? You're gonna be the deal breaker.
Well, I'm on Canada and I see
On Canada.
Oh, you're on Canada as well.
Okay,
Is anyone
then-
on the US here?
Well, you're probably in U.S.
I'm the
'Cause
only
yours is
one.
different.
Oh, you're on CA. Okay, never mind. Anyway, it's back and forth. You guys decide. Which one should I
Talk about Kawhi.
No,
Jalen
you
Rose.
can't go down to number 3 on trending. That's not how this works.
I got Beast as #1.
On the US. Okay, on US
Okay.
YouTube, MrBeast is #1 trending right now. On Canadian YouTube, Miley Cyrus is #1 on trending right now. I have watched both of these videos. Well, skimmed. Skimmed. Not really watched. Let's do MrBeast.
Okay.
Let's do MrBeast. A lot of US viewers out there. We're doing MrBeast. It's the top. And what can we really say about the Miley Cyrus video? It's exactly
I
what
can't
you
even
think it
show
is.
it.
It is exactly what
show
you
it.
think it is. You look at the thumbnail, you got it. Wait, can we say that for both? Can we say that for both?
Well, I can't even show the Miley Cyrus. It's very...
Well, I don't need you to. You don't.
Adult.
Yeah, you don't even have to show it. I mean, if you don't know about MrBeast yet, then I'm not sure you've ever hit the trending page because it's like MrBeast is on the trending page with every upload. Essentially, like if you just look back, 15 million views on 1 week ago, 18 million 2 weeks ago, 19 million 2 weeks ago, 20 million 3 weeks ago. Like it's a constant reciprocal trending cycle for MrBeast. The latest that's there is last to leave revolving door wins 50,000. This is a common theme amongst these videos. Somebody is going to win some money for completing some task. That's what I can say. That's my best way to describe an average MrBeast upload. In this particular video, they have manufactured a wooden glass contraption structure here to simulate a revolving door. They put 4 people in it. They say if you were the last one pushing, you get $50,000. And this is modern YouTube culture. This is YouTube in 2019. As of right now, I mean, if you pull these view counts, you are impacting culture significantly, right? 20 million people per upload. Like what content can you show me that 20 million people are watching per upload? I don't even think I can.
Dude Perfect.
Maybe Dude Perfect.
Yeah.
Maybe Dude Perfect. So it's a real select group, but it appears to be tried and true. I guess this is what people want. People want a thumbnail title proposal where there's some sort of rewarding outcome. I think there's some kind of psychology hack going on here where you see the 4 guys standing there. This is another common theme that happens in the thumbnail where, like, see how their shirts are off? In the video, their shirts are not off. They do the same thing when it's like sit in this car for who's ever in it the longest, but it's not the case. So they had to choreograph. They did the thumbnail separately. And what they're trying to put across is like, this is a very hard task. And I think people enjoy the idea of seeing others' pain in having to complete a difficult task because they don't have to. You like the Colosseum in Rome. You get to sit back and go, you do the hard thing for the money, and I get to watch and laugh kind of thing. It's a repackaged, modernized, consistent version of that. over and over and over again. Now, not to say that people are strictly making fun of them, because when the person wins, the viewer says, man, I'd love to be that guy. All he did was walk around the thing and he got the 50 grand. And in fact, at the end of this video, I think there's an important clip in which they show him calling his dad. And he's like, I did it, Dad. I won the 50 grand. And Dad's like, no way. And so you have the conclusion. You have the strong conclusion piece. Now, the thing for me is, how many of these can I watch? It's the same story, right? Every time. For me, at least. But I guess you could say the same for a lot of content on this show is the same story every time, Will. I mean, we got the news helping us out. At least it keeps us current. But like, there's certain formulaic aspects to any content you see on YouTube.
Yeah, there's structure.
That's successful. Is that like, you map certain elements, certain pieces that you can bolt on to your eventual video structure, which are proven and people respond to. And that's what every kind of YouTube scientist is doing. And MrBeast has fully embraced that concept, that's what he's going to try to do. He's going to aim to get you to click on a video, and he does it successfully. It's successfully and consistently. I got to say, it's not my cup of tea. Like, I don't typically click on these, and if I wasn't constantly analyzing the top of trending, I probably wouldn't. But it does make sense that the top of trending has to be something sort of widely approachable. It has to be something kind of more open and less specific, like MrBeast right above the new Miley Cyrus video. This is what we see at the top of trending. This is the state of trending in 2019. And it's a reflection. Everybody, you're really just looking at yourself right now. That's what you're doing. This is a mirror. You are staring into a mirror with this. So we'll see what happens in the next episode. But I think this ain't the last time we're talking about MrBeast. I'll tell you that right now.